Hello everybody. Today I will discuss past paper math, paper 62, October November 2019. That is statistic 1. Question number 4. In Quarendon, 66% of households are satisfied with the speed of their Wi-Fi connection. I find the probability that out of 10 households chosen at random in Quarendon, at least 8 are satisfied with the speed of the... Here is the random variable, the number of households that is binomially distributed. Those x, here we use formula for binomial distribution. Those probability of x equals n combination x p power x times q power n minus x for x from 0, 1, 2, etc. until n, where n is a fixed number of trials, p is probability of success, and q is 1 minus p. Now, in this question, n is, that is 10 households, and then probability of success, p, that is 66% or 0.66. And the question is, find the probability that at least 8 satisfied with the speed of their Wi-Fi connection. Thus, actually the question is, find the probability of x greater or equals to 8. Thus, that is equals probability of x equals 8 plus probability of x equals 9 plus probability of x equals 10. We use the formula of the binomial distribution for x equals 8. Thus, that is 10 combination 8 times 0.66 power 8 times 1 minus 0.66, that is 0.34 squared, plus px equals 9, that is 10 combination 9 times 0.66 power 9 times 0.34.1 plus px equals 10, that is 10 combination 10 times 0.66 power 10 times 0.34.0. Thus 10 combination 10 actually that is 1. This is also 1. Thus actually for px equals 10, that is just 0.66 power 10. Now, by using a calculator, we find that the probability of x greater or equals to 8, that is 0.284, correct to 3 significant figures. A random sample of 150 households in Quarendon is chosen. Use a suitable approximation to find the probability that more than 84 are satisfied with the speed of their Wi-Fi connection. Now, if x is the random variable, is binomially distributed with parameter n and p, and if n times p greater than 5 and n times q, where q is 1 minus p, is also greater than 5, then the distribution can be approximated by normal. Thus, in this question, n is 150 and p is 0.66, and 150 times 0.66, that is 99, that is greater than 5. N times q, again n 150 and q is 1 minus p, thus 1 minus 0.66, that is 0.34, thus 150 times 0.34, that is 51, is also greater than 5. Thus, we can approximate this question by normal with mu n times p and variance n times p times 1 minus p. 1 minus p is also q, yeah. Okay. Thus, the mean is 150 times 0.66, that is 99, and the variance 150 times 0.66 times 1 minus 0.66, that is 33.66. Thus we approximate it by normal 99,33.66. Thus the mean is 99 and the variance is 39.66. Now the question is find the probability that more than 84 are satisfied with the speed of their Wi-Fi connection. Thus the question is probability of x greater or equals to 84. Now we standardize the normal distribution. Thus PZ greater than 84.5 minus 99 per standard deviation, that is square root of the variance, square root of 33.66. Now you see here that is extra 0.5. Thus the extra 0.5 here is that is the continuity correction, because we change from discrete. Actually this is a discrete, binomial is a discrete, yeah, which we approximate by using normal distribution. Normal distribution is continuous. Thus that is why there is an extra 0.5 here, and it is needed in order to make the approximation as accurate as possible. Now by using calculator we find that this one PZ greater than minus 2.499, that is equals 0.994 to 3 significant figures. Now question number 5. A fire spinner has 4 sides numbered 1, 2, 3, 3. A fire blue spinner has 3 sides numbered -1, 0, 2. When a spinner is spun, the score is the number on the sides on which it lands. The spinners are spun at the same time. The random variable x denotes the score on the red spinner minus the score on the blue spinner. I draw up the probability distribution table for x. Now, thus x, the random variable x, that is denote the score on the red spinner minus the score on the blue spinner. Thus x is red score minus blue spinner, blue scores. Now red, thus the score on the red spinner, that is 1, 2, 3, 3, and the score on the blue spinner, that is -1, 0, 2. Nah, the random variable x, that is red score minus blue score. Thus 1 minus -1, that is 2. 2 minus -1 is 3. 3 minus -1, 4, and again 3 minus -1 is also 4. 1 minus 0, 1. 2 minus 0, 2. 3 minus 0, 3. 3 minus 0, 3. 1 minus 2 is -1. 2 minus 2, 0. 3 minus 2, 1. And 3 minus 2, 1. These are the random variables x. Now from this data or from these outcomes, we can draw up the probability distribution table for x. Thus you can see x here, that is from -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Thus x is -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and -1, that is 1 out of a 12. Thus corresponding probability for x equals -1 is 1 over 12. 0 also 1 out of 12. Thus probability 1 over 12, and then 1, that is 1, 2, 3, 3 out of 12. Thus the probability 3 per 12. 2, 1, 2, 2 per 12, and then 3, 1, 2, 3, 3 per 12, and then 4, 1, 2. Thus the probability 2 per 12. Thus this is the probability distribution table for x. II, find variance x. Variance x per definition equals expectation of x squared minus EX squared. Thus first we calculate expectation of x, that is sigma xi times pi. Thus from the table probability distribution table in I, we can calculate EX, that is minus 1 times 1 per 12 plus 0 times 1 per 12 plus 1 times 3 over 12 plus 2 times 2 per 12 plus 3 times 3 per 12 plus 4 times 2 over 12, dan that is equals 23 per 12. No, also we can calculate expectation of x squared, that is equals sigma x squared times p, do sigma x squared times p, that is minus 1 squared times 1 per 12 plus 0 squared times 1 over 12 plus 1 squared times 3 per 12 plus 2 squared times 2 per 12 plus 3 squared times 3 over 12 plus 4 squared times 2 over 12, that is equals 71 per 12. Okay, thus we can calculate variance x now. Thus variance x equals expectation of x squared, that is 71 per 12 minus EX, expectation of x, that is 23 per 12 squared. Thus that is equals to 35 per 144, or in decimal that is 2.24 correct to 3 significant figures. That is all for discussion today. See you in the next video. Thank you.